Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Oh. Is it starting?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here's Dad's crazy experiment. April 27th?
No.
Yes.
Yeah,
2012. Oh, it's green. Cool. That's awesome. Oh my gosh.
Build it.
It's a balloon light bulb. Woo! Good job, guys.
You can have a lick of it. Cameron, you want a lick? Let me lick it. It's yummy. It tastes like a balloon. It's delicious. Let me try it.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, it's glowy.
That's awesome.
Look, I think Hank wants a lick of it. There you go.
He
Let
licked
Cameron
it.
hold it. Let Cameron hold it.
Hank
Oh,
licked
that's
it?
a good one.
Cool. You guys are so bizarre.
Mine's lasting long, Dad.
It is. Cool.
Alright. Good experiment.
Ice cube.
That's awesome.
I love you, baby
Is it
ice
not?
cube balloon.
Hey, turn the light back on.
You can still see it plenty.
Yeah.
Relax.
What are you gonna do with it?
Oh my word.
That's it. Cameron, you don't want to lick your balloon?
Are you watching TV in the other room on the computer?
Baseball game.
Dad,
Oh.
I think it's burning out.
I don't know. It looks like it's got some life left to it.
Oh,
Yeah.
yours is rocking.
You gonna put it
That's
back in the
awesome.
Slurp,
freezer?
slurp,
Show your
slurp. Slurp the ice cube.